Hello all, very good evening. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. I welcome you all to today's cybersecurity and ethical hacking introduction session. This is our batch number 3. Introduction session is going on today. Before starting the session, I just want to take you 2 to 3 minutes and explain you about our social media handles. Okay? Yeah. So let me start with our YouTube channel. You can search for Raj Informatica YouTube channel. Okay, so that you can get it. So this is our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. We have 36K subscribers already, and we have uploaded more than 478 plus videos here. If you just go to the video section, you can able to see the different videos on AWS and DevOps, Informatica Cloud. Okay, so Power BI, cybersecurity, in AWS data engineering, artificial intelligence and machine learning, Snowflake, and many other courses videos are available here. So subscribe to our channel for more videos. If you subscribe to our channel, you can get update about the each and every video whenever we upload. Okay, so that you can without missing any video, you can watch it. I'm sharing the channel link with you over Zoom chat. Use this link and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, and we have Instagram page as well. That is Raj Informatica. We have 3000 plus followers here, and we made already a 580 plus posts we have made here already. So what you can do here is you can just follow our Instagram page to get about the job openings. So exclusively for job openings, we will be handling this Instagram page actually. So whatever the new job openings are available, we will be posting in our story, and we will be adding it to the highlights as well, so that you can follow our Instagram page and you can apply for all the jobs whatever we are posting here. Okay, yes, I'm just sharing the profile link with you. Use this link and follow our Instagram page so that you'll get the updates about job openings, not only on the cybersecurity and all our courses that what we are offering now. Okay, yes. Now let me help you with our website. This is our website, rajinformatica.com. So earlier it was Raj Informatica and now it is Raj Cloud Technologies. We changed the name from Raj Informatica to Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay. And this is our home page. Just scroll down a bit. You will be able to see the software trainings that we are offering here. Generative AI, Raj, Informatica data quality and cloud data quality, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering and Databricks, Azure Data Engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC, AI and ML, Cybersecurity with Ethical Hacking, Power BI, GCP, SAP S4HANA and FICO, Python Full Stack Development, Python for AI and ChatGPT, Salesforce and AWS and DevOps. So just above the section, you can find out upcoming free live sessions. Whatever the upcoming free live sessions are available from Raj Cloud Technologies, you can find out the session links here. You can see today's session link, Cybersecurity plus Ethical Hacking, 15 September at 7 p.m. Okay, this is how we will be scheduling all our upcoming free live sessions as well. Apart from the courses, so we have interview questions, materials, internship programs available on our website. You can check out all these things as well. Okay. Yes. Now let me show you about the cybersecurity one. Okay, so in the courses section, if you can just click on here, you can find out all our courses. You can just click on cybersecurity. When you click on cybersecurity, you will be getting the complete information, complete update about the cybersecurity program here. Okay, here you can see the complete update about the cybersecurity program. So in this cybersecurity program, we are going to know about ethical hacking basics, network security, web application security, OS security, So vulnerability assessments and penetration testing. Okay. So about operation centers and governance, risk and compliances. Okay. All these things we are going to cover here. Okay. The course duration is 2 months and the course fee is 16,999. The course fee is 16,999. Okay. And you can just scroll down here. You can see like upon completion of the training, what and all you will be able to see here, and about your trainer, everything you can see in this page actually. Got it? Yes. So let me like hand over the session to our trainer Rima Garu. So before that, I just like want to take you 2 minutes of time, 2 minutes of time, and let me collect your name and WhatsApp numbers. Let me collect your name and WhatsApp numbers. Just share me your name and WhatsApp numbers so that you can get the today session recording as well. Name and WhatsApp number. Share me these two things over Zoom chat so that you can get the today session recordings. Okay. So let me like just like quickly give you 2 minutes of time. 2 minutes of time. Okay. Yes. I have just started the timer. Please post your name and WhatsApp number over Zoom chat so that like we can start the session right away. Okay. Yes. We will be adding you to the real-time project WhatsApp group and we will be sharing the today session recording link as well. Both the things you will be getting here once you share your name and WhatsApp number. Okay. Yeah. Quickly share your name and WhatsApp number so that like we can start. Thanks for sharing your name and WhatsApp numbers here. If you haven't shared yet, you can keep sharing. The chat will be open. Okay. The chat will be open and I'm going to enable the mic access as well. If you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask us. Okay. Yes. Rimagar, over to you, please. Thank you.
Okay, good evening everyone. I will share my screen first. Okay, good evening everyone. I am Rema. I am a cybersecurity and ethical hacking trainer. And last 14 years I worked with organizations like Reliance, IBM and all. And I am working as a consultant and corporate trainer. So we will discuss, this is more than a demo. Take this opportunity to clear all your doubt. I will present a small demo, and more than that you can ask whatever doubt comes in your mind, you can ask. So we will discuss what is cybersecurity, what is the importance of cybersecurity, who's the, what, how the security, what is the requirement, who's doing, why we are doing as a cyber security, what is the purpose why we are learning, how to defend not only for the testing purpose, our own system, how we can defend, what all our job opportunities are there, what is the salary expectation, and which all our companies are offering this kind of job. And we will go for a demo session also, and whatever questions you are having. So as he said, more than the, if you type the message in the chat box, in between I will open. More than that reason, I am sharing the screen and I am doing bit practical part and all. That's the reason we will, if any doubt you are having, prefer you unmute and you can talk. Anytime you are feeling you want to ask a question, you can unmute and you can ask the question. After the question, please mute your session. Okay, we will start cyber security. It's a general term, we can say cyber security, information security. All these things are the usual physical security. All these things, maybe you or many of you are already known the terms, all these things. Now, we will discuss what is cyber security. When anybody can tell me what is the cyber security and information security, usually these terms are, we can hear, anybody can make tell me what is the difference between cyber security and information security. Prefer you to make it as an interactive session, and whatever queries comes in your mind you can ask also. Anybody knows? If you don't know the answer, you don't have to worry, but if you know, please answer. Cyber security, information security. Okay, anyway, I'm not getting any answer. So I will say, when I am talking about this is an organization, the first thing I will explain, there are cyber security, security. These all are things when comes in your mind. The first thing coming, cyber attacks or cyber hackers are the things coming. So there are two terms are there. One is hacker, one is ethical hacker. So this course is ethical hacking course. So now what is hacker? What is ethical hacker? So this is an organization. Any organization it can be like that all over. If you see, many organizations are there. When I am talking about the hacker, without any permission, they are trying to attack the system. What I mean by attack the system, they want to collect the data from the organization. Not necessary, it may be from a personal, one person they are taking the data, maybe from an organization they are collecting the data. They are collecting the data without permission. Example, your bank detail, your credentials, if they are taking, your Gmail credentials they are taking. So they can see your screen, what you are doing. They can see the what you are typing, they are able to see. So all these things are possible with hackers, that only they are doing without permission. Now when I am talking about ethical hackers, they are also doing the same thing. The course which you are learning, that is ethical hacking course. So we are also doing ethical hacking, but only thing, we are doing it for testing purpose. The organization asks the ethical hackers to do the testing purpose. Once you finish the course, you are also working like an ethical hacker, and your part is to test the system like an hacker. You are trying to attack the system. Only difference, they are doing without permission, they are doing with permission. If you are able to attack the system, so you are doing this in many different aspects, you are doing the testing. So there are certain places you will able to do like an attacker, there are certain places you are not able to do like an attacker. So like that, finally, that means wherever you are able to do like an attacker, you are telling the organization, you are giving a report to the organization, this is not secure. If the second thing you tested, you are telling it is not secure. Okay, the third, fourth, fifth, you are telling it is okay, it is secure. So, like that, you are testing with permission, like an attacker, you are trying to hack the system. So, if many people who's asking, that means we are learning hacking. Yes, we are learning hacking. Reason, hacking and ethical hacking, there is no difference. Hackers and ethical hackers both are doing, only the difference is permission is there to do, permission is not there to do. Okay. Now, this is the difference between hackers and ethical hackers. Hackers are also called black hat hackers because without permission they are doing. Ethical hackers are also called white hat hackers. Okay. Now, coming to the organization. When I am talking to the organization, there are many things which is digital and there are many things which is not digital. Digital data, what I mean, means the data which is stored in the computer, data which is stored in the mobile, data which is stored in the email, which data which is stored in the server, all these things we call it as digital data. There are certain analog data is also there. Example, the registers, the documents which is having, that are all are the analog data. So in short, I am just telling the organization is dealing with so much data. Yeah, I can say they are having information. So when I am talking information they are dealing, that can be an analog or that can be a digital. Entire data to secure that part is coming as information security. When I am talking about information security, the person is taking care of digital data, analog data, entire organization. It can be a physical device, everything, even including the physical security, entire security of the organization they are taking care, that is called information security. When we are talking about digital security, we are only talking about the digital devices like the computer, mobile, where internet is using that data. I can call it as digital devices. I said even if it's a smart TV, obviously it is a digital data. If I'm talking about artificial intelligence, it is a digital data. So where computer and internet is using all the data, we call it as digital data. So all the digital data, how to secure from cyber attacks, that we call it as cyber security. So basically here we are talking about ethical hacking, the term in cyber security and ethical hacking. Cyber security, when I am talking, I am taking care of digitally how to secure the organization's digital data that I am dealing. When I'm talking about ethical hacking, we are dealing how to test the device organization is secure or not. So these two things combined, because these all topics are not separate topic, but there are thin difference. When you go to the job, there is thin difference. So we will discuss what all are the job opportunities. Information security, when I'm talking, so again I'm telling entire organization how to secure. So coming to the first slide, when I am talking here, I can see it's a Bank of Bangladesh attack. If you see, bank can get attacked. So if you see Facebook, Microsoft, all these things can get attacked. That means we should obviously take care of our system. Anything can happen. Anybody can attack your system. So just I am not going in detail. When we go through the usual session, then we can discuss more in detail. So I'm just giving a small idea how these attacks are happening. Bank of Bangladesh, they are taking accessing just like Reserve Bank in India. So central bank, they are going through all this. Anybody who's okay. So send they all the Bank of Bangladesh, what I am talking, it is coming under the central bank. So all the banks, they are doing their internal communication through Swift, they are doing. So any bank, when you are talking, they are doing the internal. By all over the world it is like that. They are using a separate network, that is Swift. Through the Swift they are doing the banking. So bank and all the computers, obviously they are secure. Even the spam mails, everything they secured it. But what happened? An attacker, what did he send the phishing mail to the bank? Now the question, maybe few people are not aware what is phishing mail. Anybody can answer what is phishing mail? Yeah, if you want, you can unmute and you can tell. Anybody can answer what is phishing mail? Okay, phishing mail meaning they are sending a mail to anyone. That may be a convincing mail. Example, you are getting a mail. Example, you are getting a mail like which it is anything, any TV company. You are getting a yeah, mobile company. It's a more a convincing mail. Maybe a mobile. Example, you are getting a mail from Samsung. Yeah, you are getting a mail from Apple phone. You are getting, and the link you got a your number got selected. Now, at present scenario, many people will not go behind it. But maybe there are certain people, they will think, okay, just what is the problem when I'm sending my data? So there are certain people who send the data. But at present scenario, you all are aware, we will not share our data. You will also not share. I will also not share. But basically, when you click on the link, what is happening? The attacker is actually, that is not a link. They are expert. They are not sending a link just like that. So this is the document they are sending. They are just telling you to click here and share your detail. When you click here, actually you are giving permission to share your screen. Maybe you are giving a screen sharing, means whatever you are doing they can see. Maybe that can be any program what they are making. It can be a keylogger. If it is the program is keylogger, whatever you are typing they can see. It may be a screen sharing program. Whatever you are doing they can see the screen. If it may be a video sharing, so whatever they can make it in different way. So I said, you got an Apple phone. So okay, nowadays we all are technically aware. We will not go and click any of the link. Okay, but just take the example. It's a human being, human nature that is always same in not only in India. Anywhere if you go, human nature is the same. Get a free iPhone. Obviously, you will not click the link. Maybe you are getting a link. It is telling it's a job opportunity. They are offering you a job, and they are telling you will get a free training for 3 months, and after that there will be a test and you will get selected for that. So that 3 months you are getting a paid internship. So when they are giving like this detail, what you are feeling, the person who's waiting for a job, 100% is the psychology. They will just click it and see what exactly they are offering. Maybe you will not share your detail, but you will click and see what is there. Actually, when you are sharing the detail, then nothing happening. When you click on the link, then your system they are able to access. Okay. So to get now this particular course, what exactly we are doing, we are learning what all our attacks are there, how to secure the system. We are learning that only, how to test the system, why attackers are able to share the link. All these things we will see when you go through the system. Now cyber attacks, it is telling, we can divide this before COVID and after COVID. Before COVID, when you see, still that time cyber attacks were increasing. You can see the date given 2019. You can clearly can see cyber attacks already started increasing. After the COVID, what happened? The utilization of the network, the internet, the usage increased. If you go to any vegetable shop, yeah, any small shop also, if you go, they all are taking the payment through Paytm, Google Pay and all. So digitalization increased mean cyber attacks also increased. 2000 after 2020, if you see, that is a tremendous increase in the growth of the cyber attack. Cyber attacks are increasing. That means directly you can see the requirement of cyber professionals are there. Okay. Now, when you see the main non names, you can see here it is Facebook, Microsoft, all these things you can see. It's a usual thing now. This got attacked, that got attacked. So basically, this all organization they have to secure their system from cyber attacks. Now it's a usual term, you can see footprint, fingerprint. These all are the term. It's a usual term, somewhere you can hear here and there, footprint, uh, uh, fingerprint. Why these terms are there, what it mean, we will see. When I am talking about footprint, that means footprints are not unique. Fingerprints are unique. So the same meaning we are taking here. When fingerprint meaning, any attacker, a target person, they are the source, the person, the attacker, they are collecting your information without your knowledge, without leaving any trace. They are directly collecting the information from your system. That is called fingerprint. So when anybody, that is fingerprint. Now when I'm talking about footprint, it's a common general information collecting, like Facebook, they are taking the information, LinkedIn, they are taking the information, not directly involving the target, but they are taking the information. Like that things we call it as footprint. Footprint meaning directly not involving. Footprint is also called passive information collection. When I am talking about fingerprint, I am directly involving the target. Example, if I go now, maybe you are having a query. Why? What it mean directly? Fingerprint, footprint, and all. Okay, I am just taking one example. I am taking example. I will say LinkedIn. I am just searching any one of your information in the LinkedIn. So bit more research if you do, you can understand where that person is working, from where, which location that person coming from. All these things can understand. These things are helping an attacker to do a phishing mail, because they are making a convincing mail to you. Then example, someone in the LinkedIn they written, I am open to work. Even that is also a basic understanding. An attacker can understand you are searching for a job, even you given which designation you searching the job. If you go through the your profile can understand more detail, then if I am an attacker, I can share a link to you. I am offering an job opportunity. When I am talking about this means I am not directly involving the target. Now I am just telling here who is lookup. I am just going who's lookup, one of the website. I am just going here. Anyone's detail if I want to know, I can just example. I just want to know Cisco company. I am just written cisco.com. I just want to know more about that company. So here I can see here when they hosted this site, how many servers they are having. So under cisco.com I can see these many servers are there, and I can see who hosted it, when they hosted, the person who hosted, that person's detail I can see. All these things from where he hosted, the contact details, all these things I am getting. When I am talking about the fingerprint, fingerprint I said that is bit more related information, yeah, directly involving the target. So I am just typing here Kali. So I am using a machine Kali Linux to do my practical. So when I am talking about fingerprinting, so means closely I am doing it. Example, assume I am an attacker. So I can be in a shopping mall, I can be anywhere. So I am just writing here. It's a command. You don't have to bother about the command. That is all about the course. When you start doing this course, we will start from the very basic and we are doing all these things. This is the very basic. I am sitting in my computer and I am just doing. I know my computer IP address. Now, how to check it? What is IP address? All these things you will learn. You don't have to bother all these things. Just I am showing it. I am sitting in my computer and I am just checking who all are connected to this network. Example, if I am sitting in an airport, hacker can easily can understand you are connected in their network. If you are going in a shopping mall, cafeteria, anywhere, anybody can find your detail. That we will see more detail in the demo time. So what I was telling, you got a clarity what is cyber security, what is information security, what is fingerprinting, what is footprinting. Now I said if I am sending a link, maybe you will click on the link. If it is precisely matching, then you will click, otherwise you will not click. Okay. Now just anybody see example, that is now always it is not like that they are sharing a link only. So example, in somewhere you are going for anything, when you are going, you are seeing an advertisement, they give it scan me and they given a free burger option they are giving. When you click it, you are not getting any burger free, but actually your data they are able to see. So that is the purpose. Anything free when it is coming, first it is telling don't believe anybody will give anything free. So maybe some reason, maybe that is a promotion, maybe something, but it is that's the reason. Like that link you should not link like anything free iPhone and all. Okay, so basically here we are discussing how to secure our device. Later we will discuss about the organization and all. Here basic thing it is given. Most of the things you already aware. Encrypt your system. Wherever it is required, encrypt. Encrypt meaning anybody who get access of your system, they can only see the data, but they cannot read your data. That is coming under encryption. So your data is converting to some other format, non readable format. They can only see your data, they cannot use your data. Reason, that is not a readable format. If they are having the user credential, then only they will able to use the data. Now here it is written public Wi-Fi. Nowadays everywhere if you give, it is given free. If you are hotel, if it is a airport, railway station, shopping mall, cafeteria, everywhere when you see, you are getting a free Wi-Fi. Don't use free Wi-Fi unless and until it is not a requirement for you. If your Wi-Fi is working, always use that only. Because when you are using someone's network, that network, there are other people also can be part of. For example, I'm staying in a hotel and I'm using Wi-Fi, so it is not necessary I'm the one only using the Wi-Fi. The hotel, there are many people are there, they are also using the Wi-Fi. There are chances there can be an attacker also who's using the Wi-Fi, so they can misuse your data. So if you are doing net banking using the public Wi-Fi, any attacker there, they can also see your credential. All these things, how it is happening, what to do, all these things clearly we can see in our uh, once the training get start. Do not root or jailbreak your device. Root and jailbreak is the process usually people are doing in the mobile. Android phone they are doing jailbreaking, iOS phones they are doing rooting. So jailbreak and no, Android phones they are doing root, and iOS phones they are doing jailbreak. Jailbreak, root and all what it is there, all the mobile phone what is there with you, I will just explain it. This is your mobile phone. So there are many people they are offering in Android iOS phone, they are offering you can install the applications without any charges. So they are offering you some files which you can install in your computer. Actually when you are installing these files in your computer, you are giving opening your unlocking your phone and keeping it. So that means hackers, one application you are install it with free, that means hackers can install whatever they want to your computer. Same thing for, there are many people who's telling unlimited movie download. So they are giving an APK file, you have software with you. When you install it, you will able to download movies and all. So maybe certain people who's giving movies, there are certain people only telling you can do that. In both the scenario, your data going with them. There are many antivirus they are offering us free. Don't use that antivirus, only use the reputed paid one only use, because otherwise it can also give your data to someone. Always back up your system, anything happens then your data is with you. Only use the official applications and all the permissions wherever required there only. When I am installing something in your computer, it is asking install camera, no, allow camera, allow address, allow location, allow contacts, whatever required, only that thing to give the permission. Or nothing, here it is written all the application when they are giving scanning tool they are giving free, but when you are scanning your data also scanning and they are getting. Okay, so all these things, like this can happen, like this can happen, we discussed. Now, there are three terms we are discussing: confidentiality, integrity, availability. Now, what is all these things? When I am talking about security, these three things are the pillars of cybersecurity: confidentiality, integrity, availability. Confidentiality meaning it is telling only give access to the authorized person should access it. Unauthorized person should never access your data. So whatever data you are having, you can keep a credential, you will share the credential, only that person will use your data. So unauthorized access should not happen. That is ensuring in confidentiality. How we can ensure confidentiality? Anybody can say in this group. One is password, I already said. Apart from password, Anybody can suggest any other method to ensure confidentiality. We can have encryption. Encryption is one of the method which is ensuring confidentiality. Now, apart from en- password, strong password, encryption, what it is? VPN. The use of VPN also that. What is VPN? All these things we will learn. What is encryption? What is VPN? All these things we will learn in detail. So, encryption that we said, password we said. Now, passwords can crack easily. Then, how to crack the password? How password should not crack? What we to do? All this comes one by one. Okay. So, VPN can be one of the thing. Encryption, I said. File permission. All these things we can ensure there is our data is not leaking. Yeah, someone else can access it. Integrity. Integrity is telling data should be, it should not modify or tampered when it is rest or in motion. When my data is stored in my computer or when I am transferring my data from one place to other place, that time no one should use my data and no one should change my data. That is coming under integrity. Now the third thing it is telling availability. Availability is telling data should be available all the time. How we can ensure it? Confidentiality. Small practical I will show on for this particular part. Actually, whatever this small time without any installation, what I can show that I am showing here. What I can show you through online. So when I am doing here, I am just writing encryption. So I am anything. Just assume my password is Rema at the rate. So I am just writing here Rema at the rate. Assume my password is Rema at the rate 123. If I am encrypting it, I can select a password here. So I am encrypting my data. So when I encrypted my password, Rema at the rate 123. But this password looked like this. So this is an encrypted data. With 123 password only, you can decrypt the data. Anybody who's joined through the laptop or anybody who want to do, I am just sharing the link with you. All the documents, all the data, no, link and all during the session will share. So just assume this rem at the rate 113 is the password. This is the encryption. Now whoever having the 123 password, they can decrypt it, otherwise they will not able to decrypt it. Now without password, if you try to decrypt it, get that password back, it may take years to do that, 10 years, 12 years, 14 years. Then only based on the algorithm, these all are the algorithms, different algorithm. Now if I don't know the password, just assume I don't know the password, I am trying to decrypt the data. So If I know the password, then I can see I written the password. Without password, if I decrypt the data, it will not get decrypt. If I write the password and if I decrypt the data, then you will get the then you are getting the data back. That means who knows the password, they only can decrypt it. This is this thing. Now coming to the integrity example. So I'm just going chart 256. Anybody who want to do it, you can also ask me. I will wait for you. So I'm going to a next website, integrity example. I'm just checking. Anyone who want to do the practical, who join through the laptop, you can also do that. Okay. So I'm just writing here any data what is writing. Example, I'm writing Rema. So when I write Rema, you can see this is the SHA value of the file. Whatever text I am writing, whatever I am writing here, I am writing something. This value also changing. If you see down, you can see when I write something, this see now it is E9. When I type something, this value is changing. So that means this is called integrity check to understand data got changed or not. So at present the end value is EB. Just assume I am just making a full stop here. The value got changed. So even a full stop can make the value change. So what it is, this is called integrity check. When I am talking about the integrity check, what exactly happening? I am ensuring the file what I am using, that is the same or not. I can check it with integrity check. It can do for the file or I can do it for the text file also. Yeah, any text file or any file when I can upload and I can check it. There are different algorithm again here. Any one of the algorithm I can use it and check. This is the way I'm checking integrity. Availability, when I'm talking, there is no need to check the availability test. You should take the backup. If anything happens, the data is with you. Example, maybe you heard about WannaCry attack. It's a ransomware attack. Anybody in this group who knows WannaCry? I'm not getting any response. I don't know. It's evening. That's the reason all are tired. Usually the batch someone will heard about few terms and all. WannaCry attack or ransomware attack. Anybody is aware? Okay. Hackers who okay, some answer I am thinking, I think I got. Okay, no is the answer. No need to worry. At least you responded good. So WannaCry attack, yeah, ransomware attack meaning attacker will get access of your device any method they will use. They will get access of the. It is not any. It can be an individual. It can be an official computer. Anything. What hackers are doing, they are getting access of the computer. It can be using any kind of vulnerability. How to access it, that and all you will learn later. Once they get access of the device, they will encrypt the device. Encrypt the device just to show that once you encrypt the device without password, you cannot decrypt it. Only option, throw the hard disk. You cannot you do anything on the hard disk. Your data already gone. So hackers encrypted it and they will keep the password with you and they will call and ask for the money. They will ask you to give the ransom amount. When you give that amount, then only they will give the password. The solution, what it is telling, there is no solution. Secure your system and take the backup. If backup is there, that means you don't have to pay them for the data because you are already having the backup. But again, you think your data is with someone, correct? They only financial loss is not there, but your data loss is already happened. That you have to take care. This is actually confidentiality, integrity, availability. These all are the three pillars in security. Now, we will go for a demo part and we will discuss. Already, we discussed actually how to, without knowing anything, I can understand who all are connected to my computer. I am just planning this computer, I will do an attack. Example, I am doing Nmap. Nmap is a tool. All the tools you will learn how to use it, what is the tool about, all these things from the scratch you will learn. I am just doing an Nmap scan. Nmap is one of the tool to just assume I am sitting in my computer. I took an understanding who all are connected to this computer. Example, if I am in the airport and all. From my computer sitting, I can understand that particular any computer which I selected, what all are applications are installed. So from my computer I am checking someone's computer what applications are installed. From sitting in my computer I am checking that particular person's computer which version of the application is installed. I am sitting in my computer, I am checking someone's computer 1.7, that is not my computer. I can understand what version of the application, what application is installed, what version of the application is installed, and even I can enter to that computer. These all are the attacks we are telling. So let it take time. It will take time. Version and all, it is scanning someone's computer and giving you the result. Bit time it will take. Okay, let it start. So before that, I will show the result later. There are many participants who's having the curiosity once you start the cybersecurity course, what all are the job opportunities you are having. These all are the main four job opportunities. One is VAPT, Vulnerability Assessment and Penetration Testing, GRC, Governance, Risk and Compliance, SOC, Security Operations Center, Digital Forensic. These all are the different. I got the result. I was waiting for the result. Now, each application, which version is installed, that is also showing here. So, like that, we are doing the practical. We will never touch your laptop. We will install a only one software we will install, that is VirtualBox, and in the VirtualBox we will create all the machines and do. One more thing, what all are thing you are learning here, that is the same exactly same thing you have to do it in the client side. So your customer place when you are going, there is no learning is different. The next day, if you are doing the again, if you are doing the practice every day, the next day onwards you are ready for a job. So cybersecurity is not a difficult thing, but only two things are asking from the students. One is be regular in the session. Second, do practice. These two things, if you are doing from your end, you will be comfortable in all the practicals and it will be very easy for you. So I said these all are the job profiles. Just I will explain what exactly these job profiles are there. Once you, so one of the interesting thing about cybersecurity and ethical hacking course is, after completing this course, you can decide which area you want to move. Example, VAPT. VAPT, when I am talking, it is vulnerability analysis and penetration testing. Some people call it as PT job, yeah, penetration testing job, yeah, security analyst. Security analyst usually the designation of the job, and in this job what exactly is happening. So some companies they are asking you to do the testing of their company, it is secure or not secure. Hackers can attack it or not attack it. So you are also doing the attack, just like that whatever tools I am using, like that. So there are a list of tools are there, you are exactly using these tools in particular order, that only you are learning during the course, and you are understanding. As an attacker you are trying to do the attack, so after that if you are able to do the attack, you are informing them this website is vulnerable. So like that each area you have to do the testing, that is the job of VAPT. 100% technical job, but if it is a non-technical person also can learn it. That is the reason from starting to end, if you attend the training you will able to do this job. GRC, it is a technical job, but actually the work is bit like chartered accountant and all how they are doing. This is an auditing job. Auditing job, you should know the VAP technical understanding is required, but you don't have to perform the technical uh, task. You are doing a auditing job in GRC. In here in GRC, you are understanding all the security standards are in place or not. So security assessment, all this, yeah, GRC, all these things will be the job profile. Security Operations Center, SOC, what exactly? Nowadays, it's also in huge demand. You are checking the traffic and you are understanding it is an attack. It's an attacker doing the activity. Yeah, it's a usual activity. In short, monitoring the traffic. So nowadays, why it is in huge demand? There are artificial intelligence related many tools are included in the SOC, so made it more precise. That's the reason SOC now opportunities are more in SOC. Experiments are more happening in SOC. This is also there. Digital forensic as a fresher usually not offer this job, but there are very rare organizations they offer the that is after the attack, just like a human person's forensics happening after the death or anything. Same here, any kind of attack happens, how it is happened, that understanding is coming in digital forensic. Usually companies will not prefer digital forensic as a fresher. After when you work 2 years in any of this department, three, then usually people will move to digital forensic. But certain companies in the initial part only, they will select freshers and they will give the training. That is also in huge demand. Now, coming to the next part, entry level, we already discussed what all are the IT auditor, forensic analyst, all these things are the job opportunities available in the market. Now, which all are companies are mostly providing the job? There are from the very high level opportunities also there. They're like Deloitte, big four companies, Deloitte, PwC, ENY, KPMG. These all are having good division of good, very well known division of cyber security. Apart from that, if you go for the L&T, Wipro, Capgemini, Accenture, Cognizant, these companies also providing having the cyber, Mahindra, all these companies also having similar kind of job opportunities they are also providing. So these all are basically the job opportunities are with the cyber security. And not like that only well known organization it is there, but there are unknown, maybe you, for you it may be the first time heard, but many organization nowadays they are in cyber security. So now again, usually I don't know, I'm not getting any question from you. Please ask whatever question you are having, you are free to ask. Any question you want to ask? Salary range. Usually I don't got any question from you. Salary range, I can't say this is the fixed salary you will get after this training. But there are participants, I know they started with 15,000 also. I know there are participants who okay, salary was your question. I know the participant who got more than 1 lakh also. I said if you are get selected for Deloitte, KPMG and all, so they are offering a good salary. But every day you should do the practice. If you are regular, if you are attending, if your concepts are clear, so their interview is tough. If you are going for a good practice, you can get it. It's not like that we can't say ki, they are only looking the skill based on the interview. Their interview process, I said 1 lakh who is offering, their interview is a lengthy process, meaning they are asking the technical rounds will be there twice and all, and they are understanding what is your knowledge and they are taking. And I'm not telling everybody is getting the same salary we cannot say, not only in cyber security. Even if it is a developer side, even it is a network engineer, even it is a database engineer, even it is an artificial intelligence, AI also starting from the 15,000 the salary is starting. So it can be 15,000, it can be 60, it can be 80. We cannot say artificial intelligence also this is the job rating. So that is a variable part. I said there are different areas you can go for the job. To go for the course, there is no prerequisites required, because all the prerequisites we included in the session. Network knowledge, so it is not required, it is not asking you to be a network person. Network, basic network, it is required for cyber security, that we are teaching here. So when we start the cyber security, before cyber security we start with the networking. Before starting with the cyber security we start with the Linux. Before starting the security we learn with the basic coding. S- So all the topics which is required for the cyber security basics, that we already included. So that is not your worry, that will cover during the session. I already explained for Rajesh. I already explained VAPT, GRC compliance, I already explained. There is a cybersecurity analyst, cybersecurity assessor. That part I already explained. Anybody else? It's better if you unmute your mic and if you ask the question, that will give you more clarity. So anyway, from my end, what I, as a basic demo session, what I can explain you, I already explained it. Now from your end, any questions you are having, please unmute and ask your questions. Whatever coming in your mind, be transparent, be just ask the questions. Anida, Rajesh and all, anything else is coming in your mind, you can ask. No question? Okay, Rajesh said currently no question. So whatever in your mind, see that you can take the decision later, but whatever coming in your mind, you can please make clarity. Okay, tools name, if I tell, you may not be aware. All the cyber security tools, if you are from the same line, what all the tools, what is required for an industry to work, all the tools are completing here, like Nmap, Metasploitable, Wireshark, Bobsuit, Nikto, John the Ripper, Hydra, Metasploitable, MSF, any tool, NetDiscover, Angry Scanner. So what all are, I don't know how much you are aware about the tools, you are related to the tools. What, see, after completing this course, Nessus, so Bubsuit, after completing this course, you are ready to, next day onwards, you can start, you can attend the interview, you can clear the interview, you can start working. What all are the tools required to work in the industry? All the tools we are covering during the course. Is it clear, Vishal? Anybody else? Any question? Rajesh Kumar, you are asking, we have installed software for these courses. Okay. So all the required, that and all, from the first day onwards, I will suggest you how to install it. Only one virtual machine will install. Remaining things directly install in your laptop. Remaining things will come inside the virtual box. So all the software what I mentioned, that is, if it is there, that we will use as it is. Then how to configure it, how to use it, that is your part. And if it is not there, that we will install. If it is there, that we will use. Softwares are required, but you don't have to install it anything in your laptop. Course duration already, no, okay, I will answer it. Course syllabus in the website, you already got it. We shall just open the site, you will get it. Raj Cloud, just open. Your both the questions, all these questions, you will get details there only. In the initial session, he only explained it, what all are the courses are available. You can open Raj Cloud and you can go to cybersecurity. The course content, it is given. The course duration, it comes 45 days. Vishal, I hope it is clear to you. There is no, actually, cybersecurity, Vishal, you asked, there is no, I said, if you are, after completing the course, next day you are ready to work in an industry. If you are doing practice, that means it is theoretical, not theoretical, it's a practical course. This is not a theoretical course. Cyber security with theory you cannot learn. That you can only listen and understand. But if you want to go for a job, practical, it's a practical based. course it is every day we are doing the practical, and that practical related theory only. What is that practical? That explanation is the theory. The theory concept should be clear for you to clear the interview. Practical should be clear for you to do the job. So both equally we are dealing more preference, yeah, more work is there on practical. I can say 60 to 60 percentage you are working with the practical and the related theory you are learning. Vishal, I hope it is clear. Vishal, again, this course is for students without any knowledge. I said in the starting, this is as a fresher if you are coming. From the very beginning, Anita earlier asked the same question, prerequisites. I said there is no prerequisites. You have to, the course is starting with network, Linux, networking, all these things. What is the required prerequisites already there? So from very basic to advanced, it is covering. Splunk, when someone asked for the tool name, I left the Splunk, that is SOC related. See, okay, project you asked. So I will tell you, project we cannot, cyber security project we cannot do in someone's company. That someone's company it is not giving, but on devices I will share you the link where you can do the projects. Someone's company to project without permission, it is illegal, and I don't have any company to provide you the training, so that is otherwise also not possible. Cyber security, you will not get any live project with anyone. So means someone's company it is not, otherwise also if you see, if I am working for an, the projects you will get, but not someone's company. What you are learning in the organization exactly same you have to deliver in the client side. If you want the practice, see, in cyber security something you have to do practice. So if one machine, two machine we are doing, you can do it 200 machine site I am giving you. So you can do it one by one. If you are able to do 5, do 5, you are getting knowledge. If you want to do on 10, you are getting knowledge. If you want to do 100, you are getting knowledge. Anything else question is there, you can ask. I hope Rajesh Kumar it's clear for you, correct? I already said what all are the profile. These all are the major four domains. Apart from that, example, you are a you are a web developer. So related 3-4 profiles extra coming. So what four profiles I just suggested, that is without any knowledge, zero knowledge person can work. Apart from that, based on your current experience, example, if you are a network person, so network architecture, network designing also you are getting more profile. If you are a web application developer without cyber security knowledge, when you complete cyber security, then you are getting specifically for cyber web application knowledge and cyber security, more profiles are there. But the four profiles what I mentioned, that is without any prerequisite, with zero knowledge, if you are starting, you are able to work in this. Other all the many job profiles are there. Cyber security also, if you see, there are 100, 200, more than that you can say. That is totally depending on your existing knowledge plus cyber. Example, artificial intelligence. AI is also AI, more than AI, the demanding job is AI security. If you are interested in cloud security is one of the profile. So that's the reason I only mentioned four profiles. If you are from IoT background, yeah, if you learn bit more IoT, then IoT security. If your interest is in mobile, then only mobile security profile is there. If you are interested in database, then database security is there. So that is totally, these all are the major areas, and inside that areas there are different job profiles are there. If I go through that also, you will not get that much clarity here now. That is during the session, we will discuss on that. These all, at present you understand, these all are the four areas where everyone can work. If you are having any query, you can type it. If you are not having query, I can hand over this to Karthik. Anybody want to ask anything? Technical queries you can ask with me. Otherwise, about the batch and other detail if you want, you can ask with the Karthik. So I'm not getting any query. I'm just sharing stop sharing my system. I think now before winding up the session, you can.
Yes, Rima, thank you so much for that.
Yeah,
Thank you
before
so
that
much for the wonderful
one
session.
question I got, it's included. You Sadish, you asked the question, the brute forcing. Even I mentioned actually it is there. What all are tools what all are concept you said, all these things are included. It is already there in the session web application part. Okay. So Karthik, my end it is over.
Yeah, thanks for the confirmation, Madhav. Yes. So, hi everyone, this is Karthik again. So, as we said, today the registrations are open for this new batch, and today we have done with the introduction session now, and from tomorrow we'll be having the daily sessions. Okay. So, to complete your registrations, please call us on this number 8105296858 so that my team will help you for the registration process. Okay. So, actually, the course price is 16,999, but you have a special offer available today so that you'll get a 15% discount actually. Okay, this 15% discount is available right now. The actual course price is 16,999, but you'll get this course for 14,449 rupees only today. Okay, so whoever is not enrolled yet, you can plan for your enrollment and you can complete it. If you are from a different country, if you want to make the payment, you can see here in the payment options, there are two payment options are there. One is Indian credit or debit cards, EMI or UPI. Second one is international credit or debit cards. Okay, you can make the payment using your international card as well. Got it? Okay, so if you have any doubts, please unmute yourself and you can ask me. Otherwise, as I said, you can contact me here in this number 8105296858 so that I will be helping you for the complete registration part. And if you have any other questions, I can help you with that. Okay. Still any questions for anyone? If you are unable to unmute, you can just give me in a chat as well. Thank you, Rajesh Kumar. Still anyone? Okay, okay. Thanks for the confirmation. Before ending the session, I just want to ask you one more thing. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training, so that you'll get the complete updates about Raj Cloud Technologies. Whatever we are starting the new courses, new batches. Okay, so every update you'll get it once you subscribe to our channel. You can search for Raj Informatica YouTube channel. You'll get it. Okay. Thank you so much for joining session today. Have a great day. Thank you.